parents are set to get the last round of this year's child tax credit payments today, December 15, 2021, with uncertainty surrounding next year's payments. The current child tax credit, which was part of a $1.9 trillion coronavirus relief bill signed by President Joe Biden in March, is only set to last until the end of 2021. Congress has not yet passed legislation to ensure timely payments next year, and the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, has given it until December 28 to put forth the package. If President Joe Biden's $1.75 trillion Build Back Better program is approved, CTC credits would be extended for another year. To qualify, families need to make less than $150,000. Single parents who file as heads of households need to make under $112,500. Typically, qualifying families receive up to $300 per child per month, but CTC payments received in 2021 could affect your 2022 taxes if you received an overpayment and the IRS didn't adjust the amount on later payments. If you received payments you didn't qualify for, the money will need to be paid back. Are you missing a check? There are a couple of reasons why you may not have received your checks. They include not filing tax returns for 2020 or 2019, nor using the IRS tool to claim your coronavirus stimulus checks. If you did not file taxes, there's a tool called the Child Tax Credit Non-Filer Sign-Up Tool where you can add your information to see if you qualify. Build Back Better will create jobs. The White House claims its plan will invest in workforce development, which will train millions of Americans for high-quality jobs in sectors such as healthcare and construction. Joe Biden is pledging to create clean energy jobs that are unionized and beneficial to the climate. The plan also addresses the teacher shortage and claims it will expand free meals to an additional 9.3 million students and upgrade school infrastructure. Families with children and workers without children are the two groups the White House website addresses as tax cut beneficiaries of the plan. The White House says the Build Back Better agenda would extend the recent child tax credit expansion. It also claims this tax cut would nearly cut rates of child poverty in half. The agenda will also extend the Earned Income Tax Credit, which the White House claims will benefit around 17 million low-wage workers. In other news, if you collect Social Security, the monthly deposit to your account is about to grow by the largest amount you've probably seen since you started receiving payouts. Starting with the January 2022 payment, 64 million Social Security recipients will receive the biggest annual benefit bump since 1982. What price increases have you noticed lately? Maybe to your grocery receipt, your heating bill, or your medical expenses. Are you paying more for your home in recent years? Rising inflation is unnerving many Americans, but these higher living expenses make people who depend on Social Security squirm as they try to stretch their monthly payments. Advocates for older Americans say the raises over the years, even the bigger boost in 2022, fail to keep up with rising costs, especially ballooning expenses that eat up most of older people's budgets, including housing and healthcare. The COLA for 2022 is 5.9%. The Social Security Administration recently announced significantly higher than average annual increases of about 2.2% during the previous 20 years. The average Social Security benefit will increase to $1,657 per month, up by $92 from 2021. But the Senior Citizens League says the amount may not even make up for price increases the government predicts for next year. 2.5% to 5% for food, up to 25% for natural gas heating this winter, and 5% for Medicare prescription coverage. It appears that inflation is not done with us yet, and the buying power of Social Security benefits may continue to erode into 2022, says Mary Johnson, a policy analyst with the organization. And Medicare Part B premiums for doctors' visits, lab tests, and other services are set to increase about $22 a month, or 14.5%. The biggest jump in the insurance program's history. Thanks for watching. Leave comments below. Stay tuned for more news and updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.